So guys, once you're on the NVIDIA app, on the left hand side, you want to go to settings. Make sure that you have NVIDIA overlay turned on, which will then allow you to open the NVIDIA overlay by pressing on Alt-Z on your keyboard. Once you have this turned on, click on Alt-Z on your keyboard, which will then pull up the NVIDIA overlay. And now once you're on this, on the bottom, you want to select Statistics. At the top, it's going to be saying Show Statistics in Heads-Up Display. You want to turn this on. You're then going to be seeing FPS, GPU, CPU, and latency right here. It's then going to be showing the FPS in your game. If it says FPS NA for you right now, I'm going to show you how to fix that in a second. If you want to make this bigger, you want to click on Alt-Shift and R on your keyboard. Alt-Shift-R. If you want to cycle through the metrics, then click on Alt-Shift and R on your keyboard. Just like that. And you can choose what you want to show right here. I can turn off GPU and everything else if I want to. But now I'm going to show you how to fix where it says FPS NA. You want to open up the NVIDIA control panel. So you want to right click on your desktop and then click on Show More Options and then click on NVIDIA control panel. If you don't have the NVIDIA control panel, you can download it from the Microsoft Store. And now once we're here, on the left hand side, you want to select Manage 3D Settings. And now once you're on the NVIDIA control panel, on the left hand side, you want to select Manage 3D Settings. Now you want to select Program Settings. The reason why it says FPS NA is because your game is not showing in this list. So you need to add it to the list. So click on Add. If you don't see it here, then you want to click on Browse. You want to find the exe file of your game, the executable. Then you want to add it. So click on Open once you find that, which will then add it here. Then you want to click on Add Selected Program, which will then make your game appear in this list. Once you add your game to the list, you want to restart your game. It will then be showing the FPS of your game.